I will show you the red cabbage pH indicator. As you know, the pH range is from 0 to 14, as pH 7 is the neutral. The experiment is simple. We have to boil the water and put the red cabbage here and let it sit for around 10 minutes. Then filter out the red cabbage with a plastic bag, and then I will some of the water into some chemicals here, and they will react and make different colors.
Yes, you can.
And now I'll put the red cabbage. Should I put more?
Enough.
Now I will take some of this boiled red cabbage. Now I will take this solution. Look at the color.
Here is not happening. I'm very curious about this too. The red means it's acidic, and the bluest means it's alkaline. Lemon juice and soda.